Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock your washing machine door with no power going to the machine to close stuff inside. This problem started yesterday. As soon as the machine started to spin, it trips the breaker and causes all the sockets in the laundry room to go dead. I have tried a few troubleshooting but with no success. So therefore I will have to get the clothes out of the machine. So safety first, please ensure that you unplug the machine from the socket. Then most washing machines will have a small opening at the front. You want to open that door, and then the machine is still full of water. So what I'm going to do is to get rid of all of this water from the machine. As you can see, I'm improvising here by using a orange juice box to collect the water progressively, and then once it's fully drained, then I'll show you the next step. Right, so this machine is now fully drained, and by the way, all makes of washing machine will operate similar but slightly different, if that makes sense. So this is a Miele brand, and this small yellow lever, all you need to do is just pull it and the machine door will be open. If you have found this video useful, please remember, leave a positive comment, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Goodbye.